the child king's breath was gone, no heir to carry Egypt on. The throne stood firm, yet weak in line, still scarred by Aten's broken time. From court and army, seas and men, who ruled with hand, not myth or pen, stepped forward where the crown stood bare, to mend a state beyond repair.
Before, from Amarna's fall to Thebes once more, he knew the rites, the ancient way, the gods, the words that priests would say.
He sealed the break with heresy, restored the cults officially, through ritual, decree, and law. He bound the realm with sacred awe.
Restored and order claimed, by gods returned and rebels tamed, Egypt endured its deepest scar through men who ruled not who they were.
Yet I was old, his reign was brief, a pause between both wound and relief. No dynasty his name could start, no future in lasting art.
The throne would pass to harder hands, to one who understood commands, a soldier shaped by border wars, who knew what broken order caused. From chariot ranks to royal seat, Horemheb rose through strength and feat. No priestly dream, no sacred claim, but discipline became his name. He purged corruption, cleansed the courts, restored the law as final course. Abuse of power met his blade, old ranks dissolved, new order made. Not all who rule are born to reign, some seize the crown to end the pain. When gods are many, laws must stand, and justice rule the mortal land. Format is kept not by belief, but balanced rule beyond relief. Through sword and seal, through word and might, the state returned to ordered life.
The heresy was named and bound, its memory struck from stone and ground. Akhenaten's name erased, his city left to dust and waste.
Horemheb proclaimed the rightful line, from Menhotep's golden time. The break denied, the scar concealed, so Egypt's past could seem unseen.
Empires fall not only by war, but when belief outpaces law. And they are healed not just by prayer, but measured hands and constant care.
A closed the wound, Horemheb stood, and turned collapse to understood. From fractured throne to ordered state, they saved the crown,